YouTube, what's up guys? Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. We are flying down the highway in my Toyota Celica GTS. Today we're finally getting tint on my Celica. I've been really busy with life and I had just a little split sliver of time to get my windows tinted. I'm going to a shop and doing it. I'm not doing it myself. I've tried to do window tinting in the past by myself and I did an okay job. I think just for me, it's easier to pay someone to do it than to do it myself. In addition to that, I just think that if I go and have someone do it real quick, I can have it done and move on to a more fun project. I do want to wrap the roof of this car, and I think I will do the wrap myself versus paying someone to do that. So I want to learn how to do that. I haven't done that before and I think that'll be a fun experience. But today we are going to get the windows tinted. I'm still undecided of what percentage I'm going to get, whether it be like a 20, which is lighter, a 15, or a 5. 5 is what I have on my Toyota MR2 and my Evo 10. It's really dark. It's like limo tint. You can't see through it, and it doesn't make it as pleasurable, honestly, at night to drive out of because you can't see, especially with the Celica. It has some blind spots on it, right behind my head where that, you guys see that right there? It's hard to see out of that whole rear corner. If you own a Celica, you would know. And then when you get all the side tinted, that right there all tinted, it's even harder to see out. I've had on Toyota Celicas, I think I've had 25%. I've had a golly, I think I had a 5% before, and then I think one of the cars came with like a 15%, and I think if the guy has a 15%, I'm gonna go with that. If they have a 20 or a 5, I might go with the 5, because 20 is pretty light on it. It's like sorta not sorta. It should take him about 1 to 2 hours, I believe. I have the seats folded down for him to help them out. But yeah, we're bombing down the highway, and I cannot wait to get this tinted. It'll make the car look so much better. In addition to that, look at that awesome TRD spoiler back there. It looks so good. I love that wing. When I get this tinted and when you guys see the intro to this video and the edit, you guys are gonna be like, oh my gosh, you gotta tint the Celica windows. Otherwise you look like you're in a fishbowl. And the tint on the Celica makes it look so much sharper in my opinion. I do think I'm gonna do rain guards on this car, which I think it looks really good. So if I put rain guards, it'll look really good. But right now, today, we're getting the car tinted and it's gonna be amazing. So let's go ahead and head to the shop now. Always swing by MITCHDORE.COMHOW. I restocked my TRD badges. If you guys want one, amazing. They look so good. Oh, this car is in mint condition. Look at that right there. Beautiful. I love it. The shifter is from, where did I get this? This is a perfect shifter. I did a video about this. Circuit Hero or Circuit Works or something like that. I love this shifter. Very heavy, pretty expensive. But I really like it, and I like that it threads on like that. It's freezing though in the winter time. It's like, you know, it's cold. The other thing that I really love is a short shifter kit from my website, swingbymitchdore.com. Those are restocked too. I will be doing a super class short shifter soon, but stay tuned for that. Other than that, the Celica looks amazing, so clean in here. And we recently just changed those lift bolts, so you know what that means, right? It means lift, baby. Look at that thing climb. That's third gear. All right, we're doing this. It's called Midnight Tint. I think it's a chain. I've never been here before, but isn't this why you have a TRD wing, right? Right? That's awesome. So just here's a quick before. So you guys remember, it's gonna be like a fishbowl. You can see right in. You can see all kind of the silver inside there. Soon it's gonna be perfect. I'm excited. So, and I think I'm gonna have them do a little bit here too. So I think I'm gonna do 6 inches down as well. And if they have one that fades, that'd be cool, but if they have a strict line, that's okay. I like it when it fades. I don't know if you guys have seen that, but it's gonna look amazing. I'm excited, especially on the rear hatch. I don't like that you can see right through that. That does not look good. So here's just a before. Remember the before, because we're gonna get an after real soon. So I'm gonna do a surprise. Well, you guys will see what I do, but I'll tell you, he's bringing it out now. He said it'd take him about 3 hours, and it's an expensive tint job, but it should be a good one. We're in like the nicer part of Washington. Gosh, that car looks so good. I cannot wait till you guys see it done. All right, so we're gonna wait for a long time now. Oh my gosh, while we're waiting, I walked up to the West State Motorsports. Oh my gosh, look at that beauty. Isn't that awesome? Gosh, I can't wait to review this one. Oh yeah. So we just got the car done. Oh, it looks amazing. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Yes. All right, so we are done. Look at that. Let's go do an edit. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. All right, so we just got it done. Look how dark it is in here. I'm just kidding. We were in a tunnel. Really, really love it though. Oh my gosh, it's such a good deal to have your tint done. So I went with a 5%. So 5% is what I have. I'd say it's dark, but not like impossibly to see through. And the guy talked me kind of into it. I got a 3M, so 3M product. We have 3M tint all over the car, which I love it a lot. Now I did do the front windshield, so I'll just show you real quick here. I did not do the front windshield, but I did the. Let me shift real quick here. I did all the other windows. The roof already comes tinted, kind of from factory. The sunroof, so I'm okay with that. I didn't really feel like he needed to put a darker film over that. It was expensive. It's $250 to have all these windows done. I think he wanted another $80 for the front windshield, which I was just like, that seems, I'm okay without it. Besides, I like to see out of the front windshield the most. At night, it does make it look really dark. So I was gonna go with a 15%, but he didn't have a 15 in the 3M product, and I wanted 3M. 3M's really good quality stuff. But everything looks really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the edit now that you guys see in the beginning of the video. But I hope you guys like this. I hope you guys think it looks good. I think it looks really, really, really good. You'll see more of it on future videos. I think I have a new set of wheels coming for this car. Again, I have the GTS wheels that I just got new tires on, which I'll probably end up painting black or gunmetal. But the car is looking really, really good from the exterior. I love it. The tint is a next level. So again, make sure to hit the like button, guys. Subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you on the next video.